kan hun Tremon ngeu bha na ka jala ka bala tip kum ka Rotary Club of Orchid City Shillong ha ka jinges nok tilang bat ka Umsning Rotary Satellite Club menta ka sngi ka kharwi tri unai tung kilale ban no senyang da ki jacket sha ka Umsning Police Station na ka banta bakin yo ban phong lani penon gam hakipor penyai kali lane hakipor baki don duty ha ka ne ka sngi lai don lang da ka kong Mary Annie Cherwa ka president jong ka Rotary Club of Orchid City, kakong Rima V. Lyngdoh, ka Secretary Rotary Club of Orchid City, uba Gregory Khar Umnoy, Secretary ka Umsning Rotary Satellite Club, Ufada Payus Shadap, Chairman Barim ka Umsning Rotary Satellite Club, uba Shemphang Lyngdoh, Chairman Thymmai ka Umsning Rotary Satellite Club, lembat kiwe de. Hadin ka te ka jing ais ngubha sya ka Umsning Police Station, lapenlong ka jing yalang ka balengkot, ha ka ba na ka liang kin nong yalam, jong ka Rotary Club of Orchid City, kilayo ban penkhamti yo ba Shemphang Lyngdoh, kumu President Thymmai jong ka Umsning Rotary Satellite Club.